Work requests and work orders are at the heart of MAPCON and are an essential function for any organization. A work request is not a work order itself, but rather a request for maintenance or repair work that can eventually be transferred into a work order. Anyone with a valid MAPCON login and password can use the work request system. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create and process a work request within MAPCON. To begin, start at the main menu. Click the Maintenance menu, Work Request menu, and then Work Request Initiation. Here we see a lookup of all existing work requests that have been initiated. If users are looking to edit any of these existing work requests, double-clicking them will bring up additional information. To create a new request, click New Record along the top. In the red Work Request Number field, a desired number can be entered, or users can simply click outside the box or press Enter on the keyboard so that the word New key appears in the field. This simply means that the system will generate a new unique work request number automatically. Next, users can set up a priority for the new work request. Double-clicking the blue field next to the work area will bring up a list of equipment items. The white fields may automatically populate based on information associated with the equipment item. In the Problem Description field, detail any issues being experienced and possible instructions that would be helpful for anyone who receives the work request. For users with advanced administration, an additional tab labeled Attachments will also be available. Here, users can attach materials such as pictures, instructional documents, and even web links that can assist with completing the work request. Once all the information is filled in, click Save Record. Additionally, employees can create a work request online via an HTML page or simply by email. Watch our tutorials on the HTML work request and email work requests to learn about these methods and how it can be an effective option for employees who don't have or need access to other aspects of MAPCON. Before a work request can be processed, it must be reviewed and edited. This can all be done in the Work Request Transfer screen. This screen can be accessed from the Work Request menu. Here, users will find a list of existing work requests that have been initiated. Double-click any of these options to further edit the work request. On the Main tab, users must ensure the red fields are completed, including association to an equipment item, location, or cost center. This section, towards the bottom, will show any open work orders associated with the item. Next, a priority must be set. The problem description can be edited if necessary, and comments can be added in the section below. Keeping this box checked will ensure that the problem description will be included when the work request is transferred into a work order. Users can now decide what to do with the work request, including turning the work request into a work order and save the record, or turning the work request into a work order and edit details further. Other options include adding the work request to an existing work order, generating an after-the-fact work order and editing its details, and finally, canceling the work request altogether. In the event the work request was canceled, added to a work order, or transferred into a new work order, an email will be sent to notify the work request originator of the change. If information for the work request is updated, but the work request is not transferred or canceled, click Save Record to save any changes made. To learn about work orders, watch our work order tutorial series. For these tips and more, check out MAPCON Technologies on social media. Thank you for choosing MAPCON.